First of all, I'm not going to be that guy that just shows up out of the blue claiming he has made up to $10,000 online, showing you some kind of false evidence to back up his claim. What I'll be doing in this video is that I'll be showing you step by step how to promote products on selar.co. Just in case you don't know selar.co, selar.co is an affiliate marketing platform. It's a platform whereby digital creators, like people that create online courses and ebooks, post their products. It's more like a digital marketplace for courses and ebook. So what I'll be doing is that, of course, I don't have the products. I'll be grabbing the products from selar.co and actually promoting it. So we'll be promoting these products in just 5 steps. So the first step is going to be us actually signing up to Selar platform, the selar.co platform. We have to verify our account. We have to sign up first. Then the second one is going to be us actually looking for a very good product to promote, so that it's not just about you promoting any product, because you can be promoting a product that people doesn't want. So we need to look for good products that is most likely to sell. Then the third step is going to be us actually generating the article that we are going to be using in promoting the product. And don't worry, you don't have to be a genius to do this. Of course, I don't have all day to create article for this one. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be using ChatGPT or DeepSeek to create this article. Then the fourth step is going to be us generating image, which we are going to be using to promote the product. So finally, the step 5 is going to be we actually promoting the products on Facebook. So make sure you don't miss any step so that you don't get lost along the way. And don't worry, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. So without wasting any much time, let's quickly jump over to my screen. Let's get started. So here we are on my screen. Just type in selar.co. You have to wait for it to load. Then it's going to take you to this interface. So all you have to do now is to create an account. Just click on start selling. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So all you have to do is for you to enter your first name and your last name. So I'm just going to enter mine there. So I'll just enter one of my random emails just for the purpose of this video, because I already have an account with Selar. So I'm taking you through this part especially so that you will know exactly how to create an account with Selar. So the next thing for you is for you to add your password. Make sure the password you're adding you can easily remember, and also make sure you have it written in some safe place so that you can access it in the future whenever you need it. So you have to repeat your password there. I'll just impute it there again. So the next thing for you to click that box, then hit create account. Hit create account. It's going to take time to load depending on how fast your network is. As you can see, it has finished loading, so it has brought us to this interface. So you'll be asked if you want to be a creator or an affiliate. So just click on affiliate marketer. Click on the second one, then click on continue. So here is where you input your date of birth, your sex, and your. Okay, let me input my date of birth here. Then date of birth, your sex, and you input your phone number. Make sure the phone number you are inputting, you still have access to the phone number. Just input your phone number right there. So start with +234, which is the Nigeria code. But if you're not in Nigeria, make sure you start with your country code, wherever you're watching from. So it's going to bring you to this interface. It's going to ask you to add your account details. So you add in click there, add your account details, your bank account details, because that is where your money is going to come in once you make any sales. So you click on add bank details. And once you finish adding your bank details, it's going to load. Let me show you. So now this is where you're going to input your bank details. So once you are done, you click verify account. So now that we have created and verified our account, there's one thing you need to know. In order for you to start promoting products on selar.co, you need to first of all verify with 3,000 naira. But don't worry if you don't have the money yet. Just watch the video to see the whole step. Then you consider if it's actually worth your time and your money before taking any other further step. So the next step is for us to head back to my screen right now and look for a very good product to promote. But one thing you need to know, in order for you to make the most money from this platform, you need to make sure the product you are promoting is in high demand and it's a product that you yourself would consider buying. And you need to make sure the product also solves people's problem. So for this one, I am thinking, since everybody is quite interested in content creation lately, I think we should promote a product on video editing, because of course, if you are creating content, you need to learn how to edit video. So let's head over to my screen right now to look for a product. Then I think we should be able to find a video editing course there. So the account we created previously, I couldn't use that because I have not added the 3,000 naira verification payment. So I'll be using the account I already have verified. So as you can see, we are in the interface right now, and these are products you can promote, and some of them are selling for 25,000 naira, some 6,000 naira, some 4,000 naira. So you have to know that for each sales you make, you are going to be getting commission. But I want to search for one. Let me search for video editing course, since I've said these are the type I'll be promoting. And it's going to, as you can see, it has brought out 410 results. That means there are 410 courses available on this topic, on this particular keyword. So these are courses I can promote. Let me just look for a very good one. As you can see, most of them are paying me 50%. That means if the course is being sold for, let me be specific, phone video editing, because I know most of the people who edit with their phones. Let me just say phone video editing. As you can see, most of the courses here, they are paying 30%, 50%. That means for every sales you make, you'll be getting 30% or 50% commission. So let me just go with one course here. I'm coming. So let me go with this one that is being sold for 6,000 naira. So just click on get link once you found the particular course you want to promote. So click on get link. I'm coming. Just click on get link right there. Then when you click on get link, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on get link again. So then these are your affiliate links you can use to promote your product. So as you can see, the down one is the affiliate link that is selling the product, but the up one is the entire store's affiliate link. So you have to open the link to know what the course is really about, so you can use that to promote the course. So you can see this is the course, the video editing course and the graphic design course. So it's that simple. I'll just copy the link and go to my Google Doc, then paste it there. Just paste it there. So now that we have found a better product, it is time for us to create an article that's going to help us do the wholesaling. So one thing you need to know is that you need to make sure the article is marketing the product, not just promoting the product. So for this, I'll be using DeepSeek, because it seems DeepSeek is quite more intelligent than ChatGPT. No offense to the ChatGPT fans though, but for my opinion, I think DeepSeek is the best. So I'll just use DeepSeek to generate an article. So it is time for us to generate the article that we are going to be using to sell the product. So I'll be using DeepSeek, like I said. So first of all, you have to, let me just charge DeepSeek up. I can say something like, hey DeepSeek, I have a task for you. Just for you to know that, just for me to warm it up. So it has replied me. So now I'm going to tell DeepSeek to help me write the article. I can say something like, I have a smartphone video editing course. I want to promote, or I want to sell. I need you to craft a very catchy article. It's a catchy short article, so the article won't be too long to use to promote it. Let the article be let's say be catchy, pinpoint focused, or pinpoint targeting. So it's going to be targeting the pinpoint of people that are the content creator, person that's going to buy the product. Pinpoint targeting, and I also try to add a little story to so the reader would want to take action after reading. So I'll just say this, and the next thing for me is for me to click enter. So as you can see, it is loading. Of course, it is generating the article. So here we are. It's generating the article. You can see the headline. Your phone is a Hollywood studio. So why do your videos still look amateur? So that's quite good heading. So it's going to generate. As you can see, it is generating. Make sure you go through the article yourself, so you edit it wherever there are errors or any part you know you don't need. And also don't forget to remove the asterisk, because asterisk tend to show up whenever you use AI to write an article. So now that we have finished writing the article, or DeepSeek has finished helping us writing the article, it's time for us to copy the article. Let me just copy it. I'll just copy the article. Long press it, it's going to copy. Just in case you don't have DeepSeek, you can go to Play Store to download it. Then I'll just paste the article here on my Google Doc. Just paste it here on my Google Doc. So there, that's pretty much it. We have gotten our article. Now that we have finished generating our article, it is time for us to create an image, to get an image that's going to help us alongside the article, because the article enough is not going to cut it. Now it's time for us to generate image we can be using. Let me just add in this prompt, video editing. Okay, I'll tell it to generate. I'm using WhatsApp AI. So just in case you don't know, WhatsApp AI can also generate images. So it has generated this one. I don't like this one because it's showing a desktop, because the course I'm promoting is on mobile phone editing. So I'll just type in smartphone video editing. Then I hit generate. I'll tell it to generate it. Let's see what to generate this time on. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, it has generated, and yeah, I think I like this one. Let's just go with this one. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to save the picture, save it to our gallery. Finally, step 5. Before we go to step 5, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's quickly move on. I'm giving you just 3 seconds to do that. If you don't do that, we are not going anywhere. So I'm waiting. I believe you've done that. So let's quickly head over to the last step, which is step 5. It's going to be us promoting the products on Facebook. I'll be using Facebook for this one because I wanted to use TikTok, but I noticed that TikTok won't allow you to just post your links anyhow. So unlike Facebook, Facebook allows it. So let's use Facebook. And besides, Facebook has quite a lot of audience. But one thing you need to know is that you need to, if you have a Facebook page, it's going to really be of a lot of help to you, because since you already have a page with a lot of followers, you don't need to really struggle in terms of generating lead. So let's head over to Facebook real quick. Let's get everything done. So let's quickly head over to Facebook. So I'm on my Facebook account right now. I'll just click on Facebook pages because I have some pages there I can use. So I'll just click on the first one and I'll switch into it. So let's give it time to switch. So it has finished switching. The next thing for us to do is for us to create a post. So to do this, just click on what's on your mind tab. Just click there. It's going to bring you to this interface. So what you are going to be doing is to add picture. So just click on the pictures icon. Then I'll add a picture I got from AI. AI helped me to generate. I'll just add it there. Make sure your picture is very catchy and it's related to the product you want to sell. So the next thing for me to do is to add the article. I'll just go to my Google Doc, then grab the article there. Remember, this article was written by DeepSeek AI. So you need to make sure you read through the article, and you should know that whenever AI helps you write article, it is most likely to have this asterisk and sign on it, the asterisk. So make sure you read through it and remove every asterisk sign, so it doesn't show that the article was written by AI. So I'll just remove mine. Just remove mine like that. Just remove everything. Make sure you read through that one. Also make sure you space out so the reader doesn't get scared. Make sure you space out the sentence. So the next thing for us to do is to go back to Google Doc to grab the link. The product, the affiliate and the product link. So I'll just copy the link, then go back, just paste it there. For some reason, I expected the link to turn blue when I paste it, but it has not turned blue. So I'm having a feeling that it's not going to work. So what I will do is that I will also paste the link. I'll paste the link in the comment section. So I can write something like check comment section for course, and then I can add some emoji to it, pointing down, so the person will know that the link is in the comment section. Or let me just also paste the link there, just in case it doesn't work. The link is in the comment section. But let's see, let me just paste the link there as well. Just paste the link there. So after that, just click on next. So as you can see, it has finished and loading. I've also pasted the link in the comment section. So let's go. So we've come to the end of this video. Just in case you are new to the affiliate marketing game, you can watch this video next in the video, or the video is going to be here or here. In the video, I'll talk about things I did wrong as an affiliate marketer, so you can learn from them. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come. See you on the next one. Peace.